How to fix there was a problem with the dedicated server error when playing Halo 5 on Xbox One. Here's some tips that may fix there was a problem with the dedicated server error when playing Halo 5 on Xbox One. 1. Check the Xbox Live status at https://support.xbox.com/n-us/xbox-live-status. 2. Check the Halo service status. You can also visit the Halo Waypoint forums at https://www.halowaypoint.com/forums and look for Halo 5 Guardians under games to see if other players are reporting similar problems. 3. Check your Xbox's network connection. Press the Xbox button to open the guide. Select Settings. Select All Settings. Select Network. Select Network Settings. Select Test Network Connection. 4. Open/enable the NAT settings, http://bit.ly/2zzq1easy. 5. Make sure that your Xbox account is not banned. Sign in at the Xbox policy and enforcement site at http://enforcement.xbox.com to check if there are any enforcements in place on your account. 6. Logout. Restart the Xbox. And boot up the game. 7. Reset your console to factory defaults on Xbox One, reset and keep my games and apps. http://bit.ly/31zfsty. Note, before doing this troubleshooting step, make sure to know your email and passwords for your Xbox profiles and have a stable internet connection.